What's up, you guys? Anil from Woodwork here. Today I want to talk to you guys about a cool tool that I found. Solid tool, real hands-free, right? A real cool tool to use when you're on a job site and you know, it's just you don't have multiple hands, but you're measuring things that are over 12 feet, 13, 15, 20 feet long, right? So right here, we have this Bosch laser measuring tape. So essentially the way it works is you press this red button, it shoots a laser out, and that laser feeds information back into this tool here and then gives you a measurement. That way, if you're measuring something that is, let's say 20 feet, right? And you don't have multiple hands, you can do it on your own. This bad boy right here goes up to 65 feet. There are tools that go, or a few of these that go even further, 135 feet. Some of the more professional ones go even further than that. But let me show you how it's used. All right, so the way you use it, turn it on. You see our laser. Place it right at the edge there. You wanna have the red dot hit the point where you're trying to measure out. So we'll say right there. And once you have it, press that red dot. And it gives you a measurement. So we take this measurement and then we bring it to the piece of material that we're about to cut. And what I like to do, just a quick tip, is I like to press it twice. That way I get two readings. So this right here says 6'1" and 1/8. So I'm gonna cut it 6'1" and 1/8, and I should have an exact cut. So let's go and do that. All right, so we just came out here, cut a little bit off of that side to get a flat 90-degree corner. And then we measured 6'1" on this side. So now let's see what we get. There you have it. Just flush on that side. What's down there, and then we're gonna finish it off. There you have it, framed out. And then right here, I'm gonna cut an angle. It's gonna slide all the way down here. The reason why is because we have that piece there. And we're gonna continue on with the bead and batten.
One eternity later.